Did you know?
Star drops actually blink when you press on them because they want to riz you. Just kidding. There's a reason they have a blink animation.
Let me explain.
When you open a drop, and there is a blink animation, it guarantees that the next tap will be higher in rarity than the previous one. From super rare, it went to epic, and there is again a blink animation, so my next tap will make it mythic or legendary. Again a blink, so I have a legendary star drop. Can't wait to open the Mega Pig to see that none of my star drops are blinking.